Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're back with another pair of dunks, man. Nike released 3 pair of dunks all in one day, and I was able to get my hands on a pair. But this pair we're talking about today are the medium gray Nike dunks, man. Once again, Nike's back on that OG trail, man, and they just dropping a lot of OG heat, man, from back in the days, man. A lot of these colorways went with college basketball teams, so, you know, this colorway right here will be considered the UNLV colorway, if I'm not mistaken. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And y'all already know where to find that merch at, man. That merch is available at P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into these classics. Here you guys go. Nike Dunk Low, medium gray. Let's get straight into it. Like I mentioned, most of this shoe is red and gray to go with the UNLV team, man. In college, that basketball team was incredible, man. In the late 80s and the 90s, man. So Nike was trying to like grasp onto that whole college basketball theme, and they were dropping a lot of shoes, man, and this happened to be one of them, man. The gray with the red looks really good on here. The red shoestrings, I like the gray that they actually put on here. It's actually a nice touch of gray. The red also, you know, makes the shoe pop out more with the red laces, man. Yeah, man, it's just more of the same. You got the gray toe box, you got the gray out toe, the red out toe right here. You go on the inside, you got the gray in the background. Then you have the red swoosh, that red right here, of course. You have the gray up top, white sole, slide over to the back. You got the gray here with the Nike gray stitching. Slide over to the other side, the exact same thing. Have the red swoosh, gray back, and then the rest of the red toe right here. Slide over to the sole. Got the red sole with the white, of course, man. I think this shoe is really clean, man. I'm a big fan of like red and gray shoes. I like red and gray together. Red and gray looks really good together, man. I think the gray is like a subtle color, like it's not doing too much, and the red really pops out on the gray, so you get more of that same look on this shoe right here. You guys notice the shoe is really small. This is a grade school pair. I wasn't really trying to get any of these for the toe, so, you know, I was able to grab some grade school pairs, so I just grabbed them so I can give you guys some new, fresh material to the channel, man. I hope y'all appreciate this shoe, man. I drove in the snow for this stuff, man, so I hope y'all really appreciate it. But yeah, man, this is clean, man. Clean and straight to the point. It's not, you know, not that much craziness going on here. It's not, you know, different materials and everything. The whole shoe is leather. And, you know, it's just basically 3 colors on there, and that's gray, red, and white. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to give this colorway, man, 4 out of 5 pennies, man. I love the gray with the red. It looks good with the white. It looks beautiful. Nike did a great job, man, giving that OG feel, that OG basketball feel. I know a lot of you guys are asking, like, why isn't this dunk? Why doesn't this dunk have the fat tongue? Well, it's because it's not an SB. Dunks are originally a basketball shoe, not a skateboard shoe, but that just happened later on, man. And a lot of you guys are probably looking like, oh, why do they look like retro ones? Where do you think the retro one thing came from? It came from the dunks, man. It's inspired by a dunk. So yeah, clean shoe. Love the colorway. I love what Nike's doing with the OG stuff, man. Hopefully they can keep it up and we get some other silhouettes that we love, you know, like some Air Force Ones or what else, man? That kind of looks like it's a lot of stuff from that 80s going into the 90s era, man, that really held Nike up in high regard compared to other sneaker companies, man. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.